Hello everybody, this is Desiree and welcome to my channel. This time around, the trio cousins are back together and we're heading back to the Lion City, Singapore. Let's go! Welcome to Singapore! This was back in March during the Eras Week in Singapore. At bumiyahe talaga kami para lang masilayan si Taylor kahit sa malayo. So ito yung mga requirements na dinala namin. First off, Mark and I are both self-employed and Belle is currently employed in a private company. All three of us are single. Yes, single po kami. If interested, please comment down below. I'm kidding. So again, we're single and we all have been to at least 4 countries before. Yung mga dala namin na requirements were our passports, round-trip plane tickets, proof of accommodation, acknowledgement receipt kasi nagbayad ako online ng travel tax from Tieza, SG arrival card, and for Belle, since employed siya, may dala din siya na company ID. Again, these are the physical copies that we brought. Ako na yung nag-print ng lahat ng yan and nilagay ko na lang sa isang brown envelope and tig-isang kopya kami. Meron din kaming mga digital copies nito na nakasave up sa phone namin and for convenience sake, yun yung pinapakita ko na kapag hinahanapan ako. And yung hard copies, nilalabas ko lang kapag hinihingi nila sa akin. For the immigration, naghiwalay kami kasi pumila ako dun sa special lane and isa lang kasi yung pwedeng companion dun so hindi sila pwedeng sumama sa akin so they lined up dun sa regular lane. As for my experience, siguro ito yung pinakamabilis na dumaan ako ng immigration. Kinuha lang niya yung passport, chinek niya, tinatakan niya, binalik niya sa akin, all without looking me in the eye. So ako naman, dumiretso lang ako. Sa side naman ni Belle and Mark, yung mga usual questions like kailan babalik, sinong kasama, anong gagawin. Medyo mas matagal yung kay Belle kasi nakipagkwentuhan pa ng konti si immigration officer. Overall, maganda naman yung experience namin sa immigration. Madami lang talaga tao kaya medyo matagal yung hintayan. See you soon. Ibigam mas. Wait. Sige na, ibigam lang yun.
Second aisle on your right.
43.
Second aisle on your right. Second aisle on your right.
Excuse me, sorry. Sorry. Thank you. Sorry.
This is 807 to Singapore. You know this all too well, only gets for this getaway flight to Singapore must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. We request all guests to please store your hand-carried baggage in the blank space under the seat in front of you or the storage bins above you. Should you need assistance, please do not hesitate to call on any of your cabin crew. Thank you for choosing Cebu Pacific, and we look forward to bringing you safe and sound to Singapore.
Ayun na, safe and sound.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Changi International Airport in Singapore. The local time now is 25 minutes past the hour of 12 in the morning. For your information, there's no time difference between Manila and Singapore. The ground temperature is at 27 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Long story short, on behalf of your fearless Cebu Pacific team, headed by Flight Crew Captain Perez and First Officer Chan, together with the cabin crew, thank you for joining us. It has been enchanting to fly everyone. Let's fly everyone with Cebu Pacific.
Thank you. Thank you. Gusto rin. Ay, sorry. Bango ka man Del? Masikip kay ka na. Tantaman all peso. Masikip. Ay, sorry. Hello! Bakit ba? This is what she, Taylor effect. Ganito na yung 10,000 na yun. Hi, so we just got here at our hotel. It's around 2:28 a.m. We'll just prep for bed and hopefully makatulog kami ng maayos since bukas na yung concert and we'll need a lot of energy to get through it. So, see you guys tomorrow.